It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Yukon Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Yukon. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this Yukon comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, electric park brake, lane departure alert, park assist, traction control, hill descent control, auto stop start, the head-up display button and information tab, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps and the integrated trailer brake controller. WeatherTech all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, light leather interior, Denali embroidery in both front seats, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, power release rear seats, the power liftgate button where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, power sunroof buttons and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. This is GMC's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, it's got Wi-Fi capabilities, it has our audio and Bluetooth controls, it's also equipped with navigation. Those shortcut buttons are down below, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. That straight line there was for hitch guidance. We have hitch view, HD surround vision, so we're able to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Electronic precision shifting down to the left. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just below. Tri-climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, USB ports and power plug-ins. This here is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Dual cup holders, and next we'll take a peek inside the center console here. It's quite deep and spacious. We've got lots of storage room in there. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille. This Yukon comes with the Illumination Package, so that GMC emblem lights up, HD surround vision, signature C-shaped headlamps, fog lights down below, 22-inch Denali wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator. Roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, 4 full-size doors, keyless entry and keyless start, power retractable running boards with perimeter lighting down below, remote start, and as we make our way to the very back here, we have the power liftgate. I'm going to use the key fob here. We're able to open just that top glass portion of the liftgate or the entire liftgate altogether. I'm going to push the button twice to open that entire liftgate. In the trunk, plenty of cargo storage space. The buttons to power fold those second and third row seats down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power door locks, power windows, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, heated second row seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, all-weather floor mats on the floor, bucket seats in the second row. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the seat release on the side and rear of the seat. In the third row, we have 3 additional seats with cup holders and USB-C plug-ins on either side. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Yukon Denali, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.